Hi, I build drones as a hobby, as you can see, but I didn't build this one. This is the Parrot AR Drone, and this is really for beginners and anybody else who wants to tool around because it does a great job of holding its position, even in windy conditions, which I'll show as part of the flight video. This has a bunch of sensors underneath that sort of do a great job of mimicking GPS hold. It also has a camera underneath and a camera in front, which you can switch between. And all you have to do is connect your device to the Wi-Fi signal and open the app. And once you download it, it's called AR Free Flight. And that app not only allows you to pilot the drone, but also allows you to see what the drone sees. So I'll try to see if I can pick this up here, but what you'll see here is just it's pointing and looking at stuff, right? And so you can kind of see. And then these are the controls. So you're basically just using the thumb controls. What's really neat is you're just holding this and moving it, and that's the direction it goes. So if you want to go forward, you tip it like this. Want to go to the left, want to go to the right, want to go back. So it's a really neat, intuitive experience. I've also, the one modification that I did do is to get off of the proprietary connection that was in here, which meant you had to pick just those batteries that were being sold by this company, and instead converted it to an XT60 connection, which is a very popular connection for any of these sort of basic 3S batteries. So that's what it has. And this is the sort of outdoor body style. The indoor body style then looks like this. It's kind of big, so I don't really fly indoors unless you have a lot of space. And you just swap it out. This canopy just comes off, and you just swap it out. Simple as that. But it's really great for somebody who just kind of wants to hit the ground running and has something to tool around. It's really a lot of fun. I really do enjoy it, and I'm sure you will too. All right, thanks.